my 2024 steady Eddy picks for this year in franchising. And so the first one that I notice is going to be a solid industry and continue to grow, but has been around for a while, are home services. So home services is a steady industry that people are always going to spend money on their homes. But what we've seen is a bit of a shortage in homes on the market. So people are spending more time in their homes. They're not selling their homes as often. So home services, being able to do updates on your home, putting new window treatments, flooring, blinds, painting, fences, doing things around the home where you can maybe enjoy your outdoors a little bit more, have parties. So being able to stay in the home is definitely home services, big industry. You're also going to have some of the maintenance that goes along with that, right? So people are replacing roofs and pressure washing and cleaning inside and outside of their house. They're really just spending more time. They want it to be a haven for them. People are getting older and we're going to continue to get older. So the aging population, we have what we call the silver tsunami coming with the baby boomers, and that's a strong industry. So, giving services to help people stay in their homes longer, that's a big one. So whether it's opportunities to help them around the house or with their personal needs, senior care industries, organization, or making the home easier for them to live in and get around and access. And then also, you're starting to see some things pop up that without a with the housing shortage, people don't want their parents or loved ones to go into a location if they have to. So maybe even building a mother-in-law suite or some kind of addition onto their home, small little things like that, so that they don't have to go into a location. Business to business. This has been a growing industry, but a steady industry. I'm seeing a lot more that are targeting customers. So let's say you have a business to business franchise and you work with maybe a property manager in your industry to bring them a professional service. That property manager may have multiple properties that you can target and help them with. So business to business, national accounts, going on more of the commercial side, which can take a little longer to ramp, but the numbers can be really strong once you get those businesses up and running. Men's grooming is another one. So the beauty industry is strong. The wellness industry is strong, but I've noticed kind of the men's grooming industry, men taking more time for themselves and, going to a location that they feel comfortable, like a man cave, or being able to maybe sit down and have a drink while they get their hair cut and groomed. So men's grooming, I find, is a steady Eddy, but also has a lot of growth potential. And then you've got kind of your steady Eddies of children's enrichment. Children are back in school. Parents want enrichment for them. So swim lessons, dance lessons, sports, soccer, things where they can really enjoy themselves. Pet industry is huge and continuing to grow. These are our furry families, and people will spend money on finding a beautiful resort for them to stay when they go out of town. Grooming, huge. Grooming on grooming on pets is as big as, if not bigger than even on people and adults. So the pet industry, and then, experiences over things. I think this is a real, steady industry, but also growth of people going and having a pottery class or a painting class or, something, a beauty treatment. They want to take care of themselves. You're also always going to find strong industries like restoration, crime scene cleanup, things that are going to be happening. If your house floods, you're going to have somebody coming out to fix it sooner than later. So you've got those trades, plumbing, anything in the restoration and trade industry. And then business coaching. Business coaching is strong, solid, helping businesses to get better, to reduce their expenses. But the businesses that are out there, they understand this is post-COVID. We are really done with that world. We're moving into abundance and helping to grow. So business to business companies are really steady. So those are my steady Eddy picks. There's so much going on in the franchise industry with great growth, strong companies. And I'm here to help you with any questions you guys have.